friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to draw a beautiful painting like a bird sitting on a tree and all. So now we can start the painting. First of all, I am starting to color the paper in blue color. Finish doing the blue all over there. Now we can give some white shades in the middle. Simply shade it, okay? Finish doing the white. We can give some blue color over here. Over here also, everywhere we have, every corners we have just like give some blue color. Finish doing this like this, we should get it. Now we can give some white and light portion over here. For that we can use light blue. I finish everything and now I'm going to draw the tree, like a small branch of a tree. I'm using paint, black color paint I'm using. I started making the branches thicker, and over here I made it like thin. Like that we can do. Now we can do it darkly. I finished doing that. Now we can give some small branches over here like this. Small branches. Added branches and all. Now we can draw the bird. Two birds we have to draw over here. So now we can start. I am drawing the bird like this. You can draw in your own way. Finish drawing the bird. Now we can color it. Everything is done. I give an extra small bird over here so it looked beautiful. And if you guys love this artwork, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. Bye. Take care.